In the heart of the city, where metal and light, the CNC gods create without knowing obstacles, wood and glass. Dancing with fire, they create masterpieces as if in a magical dream. Oh, gods of CNC, you have a dream in your hands. Loft and industrial are your game. Tables, chairs, lamps, all in unison. There is a new law of life in every creation. Through the walls of old factories where the knocking is heard, they create art as in the ancient circle. Metal sparkles, wood breathes, glass reflects like light.